Alright, so now we're going to have a look at the different modes. I can't stress the importance of learning your major scales. You only need to learn the major scales and the 12 keys. You don't actually have to learn all the separate modes of each scale. So if I can show you the major scale, I can show you how it relates to the modes. That way all you need to know is the major scales of all those keys. Okay, so let's start with C major because it's the easiest one. It's all the white notes. So we've got C major. It's our Ionian scale, or our major scale. Now, the next most important scale after the major scale is its relative minor scale, which is going to be our A minor. Now, A is a sixth away from C. By that I mean you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we start the scale, play the same notes of C major, but start it from A, that's going to give us our A minor scale. See how that works? So it's the same notes of C major, but just moved and played from A. That gives us our Aeolian scale, or our relative minor scale. The other minor scales for us to learn are our D minor scale and our E minor scale. So our D minor scale, again, same notes of C major, but just starting from D. This is the second mode that we need to learn, because see, it's 2 away from, you go 1, 2, so it's the second mode. This is our Dorian scale. The next one is our Phrygian scale. So this is the same notes from C and C major, but just played from E. It's another one of our minor scales to learn. This is the third mode. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 away from C. So those are our 3 minor scales. The next one to have a look at is our major scales that also relate to C, which are F major scale, but this has got a little bit different. It's still the same notes from C major, and this is our Lydian scale. So it's our fourth mode, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same notes of C major, just starting from F. Next scale after that to learn is our G Mixolydian. This is our fifth mode, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, away from C. Same notes of C major, just started from G. We've already looked at our A minor scale. The last one for us to look at is a bit of a funny one. It's got a funny sound. This is our Locrian. Now it's the same notes of C major, just started from B. This is our seventh mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh mode. Start that from B. That gives us our B Locrian. So there you have it. There's the 7 modes for you to learn. Now, the way that you can relate to them, if I say I would like to hear a G Mixolydian, I know that the Mixolydian is the 5th mode, and if I know that if I go backwards, or if I start from C and go upwards, I know that's the 5th, because I know it's the 5th mode. Likewise, if I'm looking for Lydian, I know it's the 4th mode. So I know I have to start, if I go upwards from C, that's how I'm going to get my notes. And this relates to all the other scales as well. I mean, for example, if we were in A flat, so A flat major, and I wanted a C Phrygian, I know that Phrygian is the 3rd mode, and I know that if I play 1, 2, 3 up from A flat, so you can see that A flat 1, 2, 3, it's our 3rd mode. If I play the same notes of A flat major started from C, that's how I get my C Phrygian. Alright, let's move on to some pentatonic scales.